Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Ria Money Transfer app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So to do so, first thing you have to simply install yourself the Ria Money Transfer app. Go to App Store, Play Store, go to the App Store or the Play Store and simply install yourself the Ria Money Transfer app. And now go ahead, open the app up. Once you do that, what you can do in the app is once you have opened up, you're gonna go to register section and create yourself an account. Regarding that, we have already posted our video, so make sure to check it out. And once you have done that, you're gonna go to login section and enter your mobile phone or the email that you have used to create your account, and add the password of your account and tap on login at the bottom. As soon as you've logged in, you will be able to find option of sending and sending money, which you will need through the money transfer app. We're going to tap on the send money option. You have to simply choose the country you're sending money to, enter the amount you want to send, and you have to choose a payment method which you are choosing to send from. Choose a shipping method as well. Then you have to add in the recipient's information. You have to confirm the shipping details and pay the transfer. Confirm that you would like to complete the transfer, and that is basically it. That's how it works. That's how easy it is. Hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.